Hi everyone, greetings of the day. Today we are starting the chapter in FST1 Health and Diseases. All of us want to have a good health. So, what is good health? According to the World Health Organization, health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being. Today, many people suffer from various diseases. So, a disease is a disorder affecting the body. How do we come to know if a person is suffering from a disease? We have to go to a doctor to do physical examination to check what is wrong, or we may do tests to check various things like sugar level in the blood. Also, there are other methods of identifying a disease like x-rays, microscopic examination of blood, and surgery. Today, people suffer from various diseases. Some diseases are passed off from generations to generation. These types are called congenital diseases. Then we have communicable diseases which are passed off from one person to another in various ways. Non-communicable diseases are those which do not spread from person to person. Example of congenital disease is hemophilia. Examples of communicable disease are chickenpox, malaria, common cold, and cholera. Non-communicable diseases include anemia, diabetes, and arthritis. Next, we study about infectious diseases, which are fatal diseases affecting the blood and important organs. It can spread as an epidemic and infect a lot of people. Example, the major outbreak of plague in 1896 in India, which lasted for 15 years, and the corona which we see today. From ancient times, many scientists studied about the causes of disease and discovered about microbes which cause infectious diseases. Antonio Van, a Dutch, discovered lenses and were the first to examine bacteria 300 years ago. The French scientist Louis Pasteur showed that microbes are present where diseases were common. Microbes came to be distinguished in 4 groups: bacteria, virus, protozoa, and fungi. Microbes are present all around us, in the air we breathe, in the soil, in the food, in water, and objects around us. Microbes gain entry in our body through our mouth, nose, urinary, and reproductive passages. Insects are the carriers of many disease germs. Next, we study about how our body fights against these germs. First of all, our skin and mucous membrane help us to keep out germs. Sweat also contains a special chemical called lysomine to destroy germs. We also have a defense mechanism called immune system which battles against germs. Airborne diseases are caused due to bacteria and virus due to infected persons sneezing or coughing. Next, we have food-borne diseases caused due to contamination of food, eating food from unhygienic places. This causes food poisoning, dysentery, and stomach infections. Disease can be prevented by maintaining cleanliness, maintaining hygiene, safe drinking water, clean surroundings, adequate medical and health facilities. Lastly, we learned about AIDS, which stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. It is caused by human immunodeficiency virus. Today, we hear of many people affected by AIDS. The causes include sexual contact with infected person, transmission of infected blood. It leads to fatal effects like immune failure, damage to brain cells, rash conditions, and cancer. Thank you.